Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the HCF of two numbers 36 and 84. So for finding the HCF, that is the highest common factor, we will be using the prime factorization method and we'll find the factors of these numbers. So first we'll find the factors of 36. So we'll divide 36 by all the prime numbers which divides 36 fully without leaving a remainder. 36 is even number and it is fully divisible by 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 is remainder. This becomes 16, 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 18. 9 is an odd number, it is divisible by next prime number 3. 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 1 is 3. Next we'll find the prime factors of 84. 84 is also an even number and it is easily divisible by 2. 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 1 is 2. Now 21 is an odd number, it is divisible by 3. 3 times 7 is 21 and 7 is a prime number, it is only divisible by 7 times 1 is 7. Now we got the factors of both the numbers. Let's write the factors of both the numbers and then we'll find their common factors. So 36 equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 1 and 84 equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 7 times 1. Now let's circle the common factors in between the two numbers. The first common factor is 2. Again there is one more 2 and 3 is also common in both the numbers. Got the common factors of both the numbers. Let's find the HCF now. So HCF will be the product of common factors of both the numbers. So common factors are 2 times 2 times 3. So HCF will be 4 times 3, which is 12. This is how we find the HCF of any numbers using prime factorization method. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.